Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Neem Max Concentrate. This powerful, natural solution helps protect your plants from various pests and supports their overall health. To begin, always ensure you're diluting it correctly. For most applications, you'll want to mix 1/2 fluid ounce of the concentrate with 1 full gallon of water. This precise ratio ensures optimal performance without harming your beloved plants. Always measure carefully for the best results. Once mixed, you have a couple of application options. For immediate pest control on leaves, use a sprayer to thoroughly cover all plant surfaces, including the undersides of leaves. If you're dealing with root-level issues or want systemic protection, apply it as a soil drench around the plant's base. Consistency is key. Reapply every 7 to 14 days to maintain its protective benefits and keep your plants thriving. For the most effective results, timing your application is important. Always spray in the early morning or late evening to avoid direct sunlight, which can reduce efficacy and potentially harm plants. Safety first. Wear protective gloves and eye protection when mixing and applying. Also, avoid using Neem Max on plants that are already stressed or dehydrated. Ensure they are well watered before treatment for optimal absorption and plant health. Proper storage ensures your concentrate remains potent. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and freezing temperatures, to maintain its efficacy for a long time. If you notice your sprayer clogging, simply clean it with warm, soapy water. Should heavy rain occur after application, or if pest pressure remains high, feel free to reapply following the recommended 7 to 14 day schedule. Your plants will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.